things that make them blue, make them good. Hooray for beaming smiles that make my day. Hello everybody, finally we're back. So this is Macking Fan and welcome to my vlog. So today I have decided to how should I say it? I'm out of words. I mean, I have decided to start from the very beginning because I have started this already, my morning routine, hiking for at least an hour. So this time I'm in Mabait and yeah, I think it's 5:45. I'm not sure, let me check. Oh yes, I'm almost right. It's 5:47 in the morning and yeah, it's already bright outside and I really love the atmosphere here in Mabait at this time. It's a little bit awkward because there are some passerbys or passers-by who are staring at me, but it's okay. This road is not so busy. And where was I? So I have decided to start all over again because it's been, I think, more than a month that I stopped doing this routine. I mean, this kind of exercise, my hiking exercise early in the morning. To be honest, if you can see my eye bags, I haven't slept yet since last night. I don't know, it became my habit. I can't sleep after my shift at night, so it's hard for me to fall asleep. There are so many things in my mind and it keeps me awake. But later, maybe after my hiking, I don't know how to say it correctly. I think I should say after hiking, I will have my breakfast and I will have a sleep. I don't know, but my words are awkward. I mean, after having breakfast, I will have a rest and maybe I will sleep for at least 5 hours. I think that's enough, or if I can have 8 hours, the better. But I will try my best to sleep at night because that is the right thing to do. As far as I know, we should be sleeping at night and waking up during daytime. I think my sleeping habit has been disturbed, or yeah, I mean, I'm not following my sleeping habit. Oh my god, my face is so dark. I'm against the light. So recently I heard a news that there was an earthquake here in my city. I'm not sure if that was yesterday or the day before yesterday, but according to the news, how should I describe the magnitude of the earthquake is around 5 point something, and that's already a strong earthquake, I should say. But me, my dad and my mom were at home at that time. We didn't feel it. I asked some of my friends and they said it lasted for maybe 5 seconds. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's what they told me. So just imagine that earthquake. Whenever there is an earthquake here in my city, I always think about our coastline because many years ago, I'm not sure about the exact year, but according to my mom and to my relatives, according to my aunts and uncles, here in Pagadian City there was a very dreadful tidal wave tsunami, and there were a lot of casualties or deaths during that night because it happened during the night. So when it comes to earthquakes, I always think of our coastal areas. I don't want that tsunami to happen again. But according to the experts, the volcano the volcano under the ocean, which is very near to my city, is still active, and they say it could erupt once more after 15 years, but it's been so long. That is why I don't want to stay near the ocean, especially here in Pagadian City, because I already know that we have an active volcano underneath the sea, and anytime it could erupt. So tsunami, tidal waves, these are natural calamities, and usually these calamities don't give any warnings. They just happen without any warning. So as much as possible, we should stay away from these areas. There is a place here in Pagadian, an island called Dodogamay. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see me. Can't see my face. Look at the sunrise. Oh, it's so beautiful. Beautiful sunrise. Okay, so let's keep walking. You can really feel the warmth all over my body. So okay, here I am again. So this hiking is getting effective. Getting effective.
Emotional damage.
Just forgive my language. Anyway, as I told you, I have never slept yet.
I'm so sorry. I told you that I'm so confident.
So perhaps it affects my way of thinking and my speech. It affects my speech. So as I was saying, there is an island here in my city which we call Dodogamay. I went there before with my friends, and to be honest, the place is really cool. It is a very small island. Literally, it is really a small island. I think it's as big as a gym, or maybe smaller than a gym. I'm not sure. Or maybe it's a little bigger than a basketball court, or it's as big as our Plaza Luz. I don't know, but it is really small. So I'm sorry. The place is beautiful. I like the place. it is really one of the best places that you should visit here in Pagadian City.